Okay, today I'm gonna do a video on how to repair or replace a lock actuator on Cadillac Escalade 2007. This could be similar to Tahoe or Suburban. So if you unlock, doesn't do anything. If you lock, doesn't do anything either. So let's take it apart and see. Okay, you might want to start with the handle. That thing off. And if you notice, there's a small thing right here. Easy to remove. Okay, there's also bolts here, right under this piece of plastic. There we go. Pretty easy to remove. There's two bolts there, and there's one right here, and the rest is all clips. Removed. To remove this one, if you have an extension, you can open this up and unscrew it this way, or get a ratchet, and you don't have to open this to remove. Okay, everything is removed now. Let's start pulling. It's a tough one. Okay, once you remove the clips on sides, you have to pull this up because it sits right here or right there. So you have to pull it out. And then you can just, as you can see, it holds right on the door. There's some holding plastics, and you can just let go of it if it works, and then remove the handle. There's like a clip holding it right there. You can squeeze those and pull this out, and then just remove this. Then disconnect this wire right here. Simply press on this. Okay, now we can move this out of the way. This is the actuator. there's 3 bolts that's holding it, so we gotta unscrew those. What's interesting about this lock that it locks and it unlocks, but only manually. It does not open from remote control. As you can see, this thing that you pull with was kind of loose, so we used some zip ties to hold it in place, because the clip broke or something, or became loose. Okay, I took my zip ties off, and if you wonder how this opens, it opens from the other side. So simply press on this and pull it, and it's gonna open. So the rest, you have to remove this and this. I actually got confused, and the one that we removed was actually the outside handle, and this is the inside locking mechanism. Okay, here we got a new one. And this is how it looks. And it comes with a different...
And from different model though.
Could be from a different model, but it fits a Cadillac Escalade 2007.
The right here, Sierra. Yeah. This is the vehicle.
Yeah, from Yukon.
Yeah.
But it fits.
Okay.
Hopefully.
Yeah, hope. Now we'll disconnect the wiring.
Didn't break anything.
Didn't break anything. Whoa. That's fast.
Then it's gonna fit, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, now we will check if this fits this, the new one.
Does.
Try.
Yep.
Yep.
It's right on. Let's see if it's clicking. Where are the keys?
Why? Okay, checking if it works. And yes, it does.
Okay.
Lock,
It
unlock.
works.
So it is the
Right. Lock actuator.
and it was the problem. Okay, I'm trying to pull out the lock actuator, and it does not fit in there. So I'm gonna release this here and pull it out this way. And as you can see on the old lock, the plastic gets really bad and yellow. It's about to break, and here's a new one. So I'm just gonna put this on this. Simply just turn it and start pulling it out. Okay, I put the bolts back in. I did not tighten them. Just make sure this here is aligned And I'm gonna put that this rod in there. Just gonna close it. Now let's check the door handle. Okay, here's something. Okay, let's try to lock this. Just put your finger in there and lock it all the way, and then pull on to the handle, and it does not open. See? It does not open. So I guess this was locked wrong. When you put that clip on there, make sure that thing is down. This thing is all the way down, and then you clip it on. And the reason it did not open because this was locked here. So now it works. Make sure you put this on the way you removed it, and just double check. Lock this lock here. You can do this with your finger or a screwdriver, and then just pull the handle. Yep, opens. And as you can see, we removed this insulation, and now we're gonna put it back on the plastic like this. Just put the insulation on the plastic.
And it's not that easy. There's the clips that needs to go on there.
Just clips go on this.
There's another clip, and it's kind of hard to get them out of there without a tool. I need a tool. This is how professionals do it. You pull it on it, and nothing happens. And then you get red and put it back in there. That's it.
So, is there another one somewhere?
No. Was your hand?
Okay, now you put those hooks in first. Yep.
It'll stay on
Like this. So
No.
you don't have to hold it.
Don't forget to connect the air
Yeah,
plug.
just insert it.
Did you hear me?
Just
Air
insert
plug?
it in there. That's for the handle or for the window.
I'm trying to insert it.
Connect it.
Make sure that this facing that way, and it fits right on there.
Okay.
Connect this.
Just
Plug.
insert that thing.
You put it in here,
And then
and you pull on it, and then you click. Done. Okay.
Then
those clips.
Yep. Line up those clips. And
Align all the clips. And then you align everything else.
put them in. And simply press around.
Was this? Is this gonna go over?
This actually goes on top first. Okay, the top goes first. Pull that thing out.
And then align the clips.
It's way too far. Okay, yeah, it goes all the way over there. So, put the top first in and then start pressing around. And just put those bolts in and cover the. Oh man, this came off. just 2 clips. Simply press them and put this back on there like this. And this is open. First pull it up. This is open, then you can just press like this. There we go. Put the bolts in and go slow if you use a material, so you don't ruin the tread. Don't make them too tight because plastic cracks. First the top goes in and then there's the bottom. Doesn't work. No, actually the bottom goes first and then the top. So I was wrong about that. There we go. So now we can lock it. Unlock it. And let's do the final test. Yep, I heard that. Locked. The whole vehicle is locked. Let's unlock it twice. Boom. Works perfect. Okay, thanks for watching. That's how you replace a lock actuator on Escalade 2007. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if this was helpful. Like and comment below. We also do some trading, more of mechanical work and some pocket bikes, so don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.